Hi there, students. Zugzwang. Zugzwang. A great German word, but you can use this in English. Okay, Zugzwang normally we use in chess or in games where anything you do is going to make your situation worse. So any legal move you make is going to worsen your position. And Zugzwang is something that can happen to you in chess. You'd rather not move. Could happen in drafts as well. But you've got to move because it's a game of turns, and anything you do is going to worsen your position. Generally, you can use this to talk about a situation where none of the possibilities lead to a good outcome. This situation where damned if you do or damned if you don't. I think this is probably more of a situation where you've got to act, but any of the things that you do are going to make your situation worse. I think maybe many politicians have this type of problem where they need to act about something, but anything they do is not going to be popular with the voters. Either it makes the problem worse, or you have to increase taxes, or so this is one of these situations where whatever you do, it just makes your overall situation worse, and there are no good outcomes. There's only bad and worse, and you need to choose the lesser of two, or the lesser of various evils. So Zugzwang, it's in a game where you have to move, but any move you make will make your position worse. You might find a position of Zugzwang as well in Go. I think in chess, Zugzwang is particularly common in the end game where there are very few pieces left. So Zugzwang, a situation where you just can't win. You can only try to minimize the damage. Let's see. If your girlfriend says to you, "Do I look fat in these jeans?" You are in Zugzwang. Notice, in Zugzwang. Because if you say no, she's going to say liar. And if you say yes, she's going to say, "You're calling me fat?" So you've got to choose the least bad of the outcomes, and this is the idea of being in Zugzwang. But Zugzwang is a position in which a player can only move to give them either a loss or a disadvantage. So if you're good at games, one of the things you want to do is to put your opponent in Zugzwang. Like that, they've got to hurt themselves. Very often, Zugzwang is decisive in a game. So to be in Zugzwang, but I think use this in life with these situations where you're damned if you do, damned if you don't. Anything you say or anything you do is going to make the situation worse, and you can't not act. So origin. Well, this comes from German. Zugzwang. I think the Zwang means to pull, or the Zwang is compulsion, and Zug is move. So it's compulsion to move. You've got to move, even if you don't want to move. And I think that's the idea. Zugzwang. So it's not much fun being in Zugzwang. The Zug is the move, and Zwang the compulsion. So, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Zugzwang.